Hey y'all, welcome to another video. I'm DJ and today we're going plane spotting. Let's go. Hey folks, today we're going plane spotting. I'll tell you more about it on the way. Well folks, I'm going to Geilenkirchen Air Base. It's a NATO air base. It's about 40 minutes from my house. They have AWACS airplanes, like airborne warning and control stuff, radar stuff, and they don't have many aircraft over there, so there's not a lot of action, not like a fighter base or something. And so sometimes there's days when they don't fly at all. So yeah, so for me just to go there and hang out, it doesn't make sense because there might not be any action. But so I'm looking at online radar sites, and a plane just took off about 25 minutes ago, but I don't know if it's coming back. Sometimes they go on a TDY like to Turkey or Italy or something, and this one is headed south, so it might not come back today, but we're gonna go there and check it out anyways. Hopefully we'll get to see it come back, and well, if it doesn't, or if there's no other action, then you won't see this video. So I guess something happened if you see this video, but we'll go there and check it out. Let's go. Hey folks, I just stopped to look at radar. I don't do that while driving. So and there's another plane in the air too. The first one that I was tracking is over France. It's going kind of south over France. So I don't know what it's doing. I don't know if it's coming back or not, because I mean there's no TDY base in France as far as I know. Usually they go to Greece or Italy or Turkey. It's not going to Turkey, it doesn't look like, so it might come back. But there's another one over Poland that wasn't shown, or I didn't see it, but I don't think it was shown until I talked to a spotter buddy of mine that I met last time I went to Geilenkirchen, a nice guy from the Netherlands, and I was talking to him. I said, hey, do you see it? Because we said we would tell each other when we see something, and so I shot him a message and I said, hey, there's a plane that just took off, and after talking for a while, he said, hey, I just found another one over Poland. And I looked and I didn't see it, and then I zoomed in, and after zooming in, I just saw it. I didn't see it before. So we actually got two planes in the air, so chances that one of them is coming back are pretty high, I would think. So I mean, they're both going away from Geilenkirchen right now, so it'll still be a while, especially from Poland. It's gonna be an hour or so flight time, and the other one is somewhere over France. So it'll be a while, but we'll go there and just wait. Well folks, I had stopped again to check what the planes were doing. I didn't film it, but yeah, one plane was still over Poland flying circles. The other one was over France, southern France, flying circles. So it'll be a while till they get back to Geilenkirchen, hopefully get back to Geilenkirchen. So I decided to go to Übach-Palenberg, which is the next city over from Geilenkirchen, and there's a store there called Waldhausen, and they have like American barbecue sauces, American barbecue rub, barbecue grills, coolers, stuff like that. It's a nice store. I like to come here and browse. So yeah, I'll just take you with me and show you a little bit of what Waldhausen has to offer. Alright, I bought a Blues Hog Tennessee Red barbecue sauce. It's vinegar based. Sometimes I do like the vinegar based barbecue stuff. So, yeah, good deal. And I just saw that the Poland plane is coming back. So I will slowly make my way over to Geilenkirchen.
Just hanging out with Daddy on Sundays after church. We used to watch the Astros.
Alright, made it to the base, made it to the east end of the runway. So let's go. First one just landed when I was over Poland. Did 2 touch and goes, kind of switch between photos and videos. So we'll see what I'll have. Alright folks, the second plane just landed. They did like 4 or 5 approaches, something like that, 4 maybe. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.